Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. It's in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is joy. The smallest source of joy can promote you to the greatest source of gratitude and feeling and magnetism. We're the magnets of the universe. What we throw out, the energies that we possess, that's what brings our experiences through. Negative energy brings tests and obstacles. Positive energy brings breakthrough, blessings, and actually the manifestations you're looking for. So like a child, I discovered that the joy in life is simplicity. Life is very simple. What makes it hard are your wants, not your needs. When you find out what you need, you find that all your needs are met. And the things that you want, that what you have to work for makes life even harder. So check those things and see if the things that you want really resonate to what you really need and the type of life that you want in your life. Happiness lies in the magical moments, not in the material. Even the smallest source of joy, smiling, being able to breathe, laughing at yourself, at a clumsy dog, at a clumsy baby, being able to laugh at life can be the small source of joy, can be a great source of light. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, love you too.